Carraige, Moíos live a league as in chugaibh and Shulu Féile and Carraige and you. Chums got all spraggle or fad, agrathe ag Glórnamona. Thank you for the invitation to be here today for the launch of Féile and Carraige, yet another initiative which demonstrates the drive and the activism which is the hallmark of Glórnamona. Tá an Gaelic faoi bhlá agus a faoi waise fud fad na Carraige agus is aontacht an rudí ha Kingston agus an acal and seo and you. There's been a blossoming of confident development, whether it be in education, culture and heritage, language or tourism projects. And few places in this city represents that development as well as Glórnamona, or indeed this year's festival programme. This year's programme comes under the banner of participation, politics and community, and it has the usual eclectic mix of conversation with Owen O'Brien giving the annual Harry Collin lecture and the festival ending gig, along with so much more.
Tíad Eva Carraige Thomas and showing you the Ryan Gaelic agus Arbis marcus the Féile and Carraige Féile face the tree.
Today here we will be trying to teach people some basic Arabic words and mostly words connected to the community resistance and revolution.
Our the himid changan the heaven the broad, our sonus, our shoj, is our berla. Es curhi she rug, es derhi she bua, our laughing rua on berla. Ni wedi she boas, a bay she fwas, en a cran bra crevo alling. Agus scapi and scale, uvel, gabel, gamay sersha, agus shane, the while.